To troubleshoot a Razer laptop that won't turn on, start by power cycling the device. Unplug the charger and hold the power button for about 60 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then attempt to turn on the laptop. Next, perform a RAM test by removing one RAM stick at a time and trying each one in each port separately. Turning on the laptop after each attempt. If the battery is removable, try a hard reset by disconnecting it from the power source, removing it, and then pressing and holding the power button for about 20 seconds to drain any residual power. After reconnecting the battery and power adapter, try turning on the laptop again. Check for battery issues by removing it, if possible, and then press the power button for about 60 seconds before trying to turn on the laptop with only the charger plugged in. Additionally, if the laptop has a CMOS battery, try checking and unplugging it for a while to reset the BIOS. Then attempt to turn on the laptop. Inspect the laptop for any damaged components, such as a USB port or the power button, that could be shorting out the motherboard. Ensure the power adapter is properly connected to both the laptop and the power outlet, and verify that the power outlet is working by plugging in another device. Test the charger and power jack using a multimeter or a compatible adapter. If the issue persists, consider visiting the manufacturer's website for troubleshooting guides or seeking professional help.